Hi everyone, Martin here from martinsmayhem.blogspot.com. I hope you're all well. So today's card is going to be a cute little thank you card that I'm going to be giving out for everybody who places an order with me. And it's going to be using the Love What You Do stamp set. Like so. Super cute, and you can make such a cute effect with this stamp set. So as you can see, it's just a cute little 3x3 note lift, which is super simple to make. So, bringing in the card base of Whisper White and a mat, just measuring 1/4 inch smaller on all sides. I'm going to bring in 2 Stampin' Up markers, so that's the So Saffron and Pear Pizzazz. And I'm just going to use my markers to colour in the stamp, like so. Now I'm starting with the So Saffron, just because that's the lighter colour, and I don't want to muddy my pen with the Pear Pizzazz. So both these colours are found in the Subtles collection, and of course we have all the matte coordinating cardstock available. So now that's coloured in, I'm just going to huff on it just to reactivate the ink, and then I'm going to stamp that down like so. So as you can see, you couldn't really see a lot when we were inking up our photopolymer stamp, but as soon as you hit the white cardstock, you can see how the colour pops. So I'm just going to repeat this 3 times over, or a further 2 times. Like so, and huff. Now I want them relatively similar, however I'm happy if they were to slightly go off. So, and for the third and final time, the So Saffron, like so, and the Pear Pizzazz. And then just huff to reactivate the ink, and then just place it down onto our card, like so. So super quick, super easy, and just perfect. So I'm going to take the thank you from that stamp set and Memento ink, and I'm just going to ink up my stamp and just place that into the corner like so. So while this card is super simple, I think it's so effective to have that 2 colour stamping, as well as the repetitiveness of it. I think it just gives this card that edge. And there you have it, super quick and easy thank you card. I hope you enjoyed today's card. Wanna pop into the description bar below where a full list of product is, as well as where to purchase them even. While you're down there, like, comment and subscribe to my channel, as well as share to social media pages so everybody can see how super quick and easy it is to make a card such as this. I will see you around. Bye.